Before talking about the Viltrox, let me tell you my expectation when I review budget-friendly APS-C autofocus lenses. They mostly have a really good center sharpness, they really suck in the corners, they have high vignetting and strong CAs, and the bokeh most of the time is meh. Oh boy, was I wrong. The Viltrox 56mm f1.7 is an exception, and is an exceptional lens. Let's dive into that. Hi friends, Dirk here. Thanks so much for tuning in. On August 19th, the new Viltrox 56mm f1.7 is going to be released. Another budget-friendly APS-C lens, autofocus APS-C lens, that will retail roughly around $180. As you can see, I have it attached here on my A7C Mark II, although it's an APS-C lens, but I put this in Super 35 mode. It is tiny. The weight is only 171 grams. You barely notice when it's here sitting on your body, on your camera body, not on this here. First of all, the build is solid. It is made of plastic. As I said, it is a lightweight and there's not much to it. It has a focus ring that goes really smooth. And on the back of the lens is a USB-C port where you can directly update your firmware. It also comes with a lens hood. The optical design is 11 elements in 9 groups and we have 9 blades. The front filter size is 52mm. Already wide open, at f1.7 we have a good center sharpness, but it's not just the center sharpness. It is corner to corner. This was something that I've never seen in a budget-friendly lens before. Amazing. Also, CAs and vignetting are so well controlled on this lens. When you look at the picture and you have strong contrasts on out of focus areas, with cheap lenses normally you have a lot of chromatic aberrations. Not in this case. Take a look. And then while we're looking at this, how is the bokeh? At f1.7, isn't it beautiful and creamy? While the image itself, our subject, is so sharp. I mean, this was really fun for me. And the outcome and the results were way better than I expected, so I was very happy about this. Let's talk about focus. It has a built-in stepper motor. When I had my photo shoot with model Elena, she was moving a lot, and out of 300 pictures we had only 2 pictures that were not in focus. 298 pictures were spot on and super sharp, so kudos for that. But it can be a little bit noisy. You definitely hear the motor when especially changing from far distance to close up or the other way around. Listen yourself. No matter the lighting conditions, I always nailed the focus also in video mode. And that is something that I did not expect. Like I said, already wide open, it has a really good center sharpness and it reaches perfection at f4. The bokeh balls are really nice in the center, and the further we go to the outside it is a little bit more cat-eye-ish, but what I like about it is that you don't have to deal with these chromatic aberration rings around bokeh balls that you normally have when you're opting in for cheaper lenses. So I truly enjoy the image quality coming from the Viltrox 56mm f1.7. We also tested the lens for longitudinal aberrations, and here I shot a short video without the lens hood attached against strong sunlight so you can see the flaring and the sun stars. First at f1.7, then f2.8, and here at f8. .56mm attached to an APS-C camera is the equivalent of 84mm, and that is a perfect portrait lens. So for street photography, for portraits, this is amazing. And it really delivers better than I expected. I just recently reviewed the Meike 55mm f1.4. Well, the Meike has one advantage, that is, it has a faster aperture, f1.4. But as soon as we compare the entire image, let's take a look at the corners, the Viltrox outshines the Meike. I'm truly excited about this one. Barely any distortions, vignetting well controlled, low CAs, fantastic bokeh. Given the size, given the price, and the image quality, the Viltrox 56mm f1.7 comes highly recommended. As you know, this is not a one-way street. I create the content for you guys, so I'm really grateful that you're here. If you have any thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comments below. Also, if you have a wish list of lenses that you want me to review, please let me know. I will make my plan. I always schedule around 6 weeks ahead of time. For such lens reviews, of course, I have to book a model, I have to go out, take pictures. Takes a while, but more than happy to do it, and I'm curious to know what you are interested in. Thanks so much for watching this. Till the next time, stay safe, stay tuned, and take care. Bye for now.